We all know Apple is kind of really, messing with us, and it's not letting us, you know, you know, manually setting the ringtone. But let me help you guys with this. All you need to do is just download the song you want. Do it from YouTube because it might kind of mess up, in the process if you do with using iTunes. Downloading from the Apple Music. Oh, what have I done? So use this site. It's kind of comfy and it's fast. So after you're done downloading, I'm gonna rename this middle child. Alright. So all you need to do is open this, right? And then you'll see that the song is playing, right? All you need to do is add to iCloud Music Library. Alright, so once you're done downloading the song and uploading it to the iTunes, then you all need to do is just open the GarageBand app, add the plus button, tap the new button, and then all you need to do is tap on this circle loop like thing, go to music, search for the song you just uploaded. Middle Child was the song I uploaded. J. Cole, big fan, Okay, this is it. So all I need to do is drag Middle Child and upload it here. So after it is done importing the sound, you can just see that it is done uploading right here. So then what you need to do is click on the record button here, play it first and then record it. After you're done, then click on the record button. Then you can just click on this brick like thing here, then you'll see the part of the song that was just recorded. This is it. So right, this will be my ringtone now, this part, this much amount. So once I'm done, I'll just click on this arrow button here, then go to my songs, then it'll save it. Then once it is done saving, we can upload. Okay, I'll just give a long tap on that thing, then go to share, then set as ringtone. Okay, middle child, export. Okay, okay, middle child 2, export. Then use sound as standard ringtone. Let me just prove you guys. See, you can see there's middle child 2.